first into the garden to pick some lovely fresh parsley.
Haha, so I'm using the coarse or larger variety of bulgur. You just put it into a pan, heat it up for about 5 minutes and let it just steam off, and it's nice and soft. Pinch of salt, and we've got a fantastic bunch of parsley that we've just picked. So those are the main components of a bulgur salad. Anything else is just optional, really. It's unlimited what you can do. So whatever you've got in the fridge, if you like it, put it in. Courgettes, roasted aubergine, it really doesn't matter. We're going to be making an amazing dressing here with half a cup of olive oil, salt to taste, teaspoon of freshly ground cumin, and we've got some sumac, which is very popular in the Middle East. We're going to give that a stir along with half a lemon, or should I say the juice of half a lemon. So we've got a fantastic dressing there, and you don't have to just use this for this recipe. This goes great with all salads. So nice and vibrant, citrusy. Give that a stir. We're going to come back once we've chopped all the ingredients up. So personally, I like to de-seed the cucumber, and the skin can be tough. You might have a really soft skinned cucumber, but I just like to use a peeler like this. Just take most of the tough skin out. So we've got some really nice prepped cucumber there. So everything's well chopped, and make sure you chop your parsley up really fine. And what you're going to find is the lemon juice that we've added to the salad dressing is going to help it become really soft and more digestible, but I do like to cut it up really fine. So everything's well chopped. This is the interesting bit now. Everything into the bowl. We've mixed all our colours. Now we can add the bulgur wheat. It's cooled down, and just give it a really good stir. But there's no point stirring it twice. Let's add our delicious olive oil, lemon, sumac, cumin dressing. Give it a good stir. We'll come back in a moment. So that was nice and simple. A little bit of tomato on the top, a couple of olives, a little sprig of parsley, another little sprinkling of sumac. So this goes great with fattoush bread, you know, the really thin Middle Eastern bread. It's fantastic. Baba ganoush, hummus, falafel, any mezza dish. Thank you very much for watching. I can't wait to tuck in.